So this is what we are hiring for. This is for cybersecurity analyst. 1 to 2 years of experience is required. This is not we are hiring. There is a company, Lumiverse Solution. They are hiring for the Nasik location. So this is related like 1 years of minimum experience is required. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, careers@lumiversesolutions.com, right? Next is someone is hiring for the VAPT, vulnerability assessment, pen testing, and here this is the place where you can send your resume. Infosec diary is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? This is the company name, and this is where you can drop your resume. And this is a remote job, right? They're hiring for the remote position. Now next is someone info per Cept is hiring for red team pension tester, senior red team engineer or senior cybersecurity analyst, VAPT, full-time role. What you will do, you can see here what they are looking for, and this is what they have, right? You can drop your resume here, and that's what we have. Next is someone is hiring for cybersecurity analyst. These are the things which require minimum 2 years experience required. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can drop a message on this number, or either you can call them, right? Sorry, I just messed up the thing. Yes, so this is what they have. Now next is there is an interview drive which is going to be started. Application security and infrastructure VAPT position. 0 to 2 years of experience is required basically here, and only science graduate can apply. Freshers with the relevant skills. It's for the Mumbai people only, and this is what you can see. 15 May, this is the date. 15 May is like after 3 days there is an interview which is 10 a.m. Andheri West Mumbai near VIH office. Updated resume, certificate, mark sheet and Aadhaar copy is required. And you can see all the details here, right? And company is Talak, Talakunchi. Is the you can search out on Google and you can get the exact location where you can apply for the role. OAS top 10 and all those things you can see here. And this is the job description, right? And this is skills which is required. You can uh, send your resume here as well, and you can directly approach them on the same location. So guys, please do it. This is a good opportunity. 1 to 3 years of experience is required, right, for the VAPT role. The other skills which is required was top 10 Bob suit and map nessus and all those things you will see here. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next is someone is looking for experience associate lead. 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Sayali.p address. Cyber Annex is the mail on which you can drop it, right? So guys, that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please ask. I'm going to answer each and everything. And we have a Cyber Coffee YouTube channel that you can check out, where we are posting jobs, where we are posting a lot of things in Hindi. And basically, if you are watching on daily basis, then probably I'm going to tell you what are the another platform that we have apart from Indeed and LinkedIn, where you can apply for the job. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. Please ask your question.